that tonight.
We're going to try. Folks, come out right now are the cars for the street drags. And the way that works is they're going to line up right here by the golf cars, race the front straight down to the cone there. I got my cone judges somewhere down there. I'll be down to see you shortly. And the winner, it's final elimination, and the winner takes all, a big check. So you guys ready for that?
Looks like people heard last week a bunch of new cars out there.
They got our message, Brian.
Of course, out there, our official pace car and safety truck are provided by Prime Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram Route 1 Saco. Visit primecdjr.com for updated inventories and the best deals. Prime Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram.
There it is.
Car by made simple.
Now, and who's the sponsor tonight, Brian?
Well, I mean, who would be here if we weren't for the law offices of Joe Borenstein? Features Motor Speedway is happy to have our offices of Joe Borenstein and our race sponsor tonight. If you've been injured in a car accident, call Joe Borenstein today for a free confidential evaluation. Call 1-800-CALL-JOE. All right, green flag.
All right, folks. The Street Drags has started. Car Wars has officially started. Second Car Wars of August for 2019. How many judges over here?
Oh, there was a winner last week. That black Mercedes. That was a very controversial win last week.
And he picked up 2 checks this morning.
Yeah.
For this evening.
Oh, I love the diesel. Shoot up diesel.
That's a fast truck there, Brian.
Oh, smell the exhaust.
Oh, this truck is very fast. All right, this is getting warmed up, folks. Whoa, little turbo on
The bunker pound for those guys, as you say, isn't that true, Mark?
That's turn 2, Ryan.
Yeah, it's your bunker pound, huh?
Okay. I got you.
Well, battle of Rolando and trucks this week.
Warmed up here. Street drags here at Peachtree Motor Speedway Car Wars.
All right, Mark, here it is. You got to pick. We're not gambling here, but who, if you had to pick a car, who do you think's going to win it?
All right, so win the whole thing.
Whole thing.
All right.
All right.
All right, what do you guys think? What do you guys think, huh? Come on, Friday night. Corvette. All right, I heard a Corvette up there. I'm not going to pick the Corvette. I'm going to pick that, I'm going to pick the Mercedes again.
Mercedes again? Oh.
I think. Did you just win? I missed that one.
I believe you won that one.
Yeah.
Win the whole night. Come on, this is interesting. That Camaro can be quick. The truck, that blue truck, the older looking one, if he hooks up correctly, he's also extremely
I
fast.
agree. He was out there practicing early. He's having trouble putting the rubber down on the pavement there. I know, that's pretty impressive. That truck just eliminated the Corvette, so whoever said that.
Oh my God.
Blue truck is gone there.
Is it though?
Brian?
I don't know. That was really close.
Was it? All right, well, I'm down here, so I guess I'll work my way down to the finish line. They're sending them through quick tonight.
Well, that's cute.
All right, that was a Jeep.
I feel like they got lost on the way trying to find parking out here. Oh, so Mike, what up? We're doing money trends that 50-50 is going on, of course. Grab yourself your 50-50 ticket.
I don't have the number yet, but 50-50 right behind the flag stand here. And last week we gave away a bunch of money.
Yeah, it was pretty good. Well, there's your little Mercedes.
There it is.
Come on, guys. Who can beat that? If you weren't here last week, put your hand up. Let's see. Come on. There we go. Oh, wow. Nice job, you guys. Your mission is to bring another friend next week. Bring a neighbor, co-worker, friend, date, whatever you want. But you can get on this track and bring this on this thing. I don't know. I think I'm picking that black truck to win it all.
Really?
I'll put
That might be a good
truck.
pick.
That black truck against your little Mercedes.
Ah, you're wrong.
Gosh, that was close to go.
Who had that? that? Who won that? Truck? Was it the truck? The Corvette. Mercedes had that one. I'm down here at the...
Squeaked it out.
Hey guys, there's 3 great shows every week here at Beach Ridge. It's Thursday Thunder, Friday Car Wars, and Saturday NASCAR night. So don't miss them. All through August, 3 great shows. Also, we've got Day of Destruction, the last one coming up September 20th. Don't miss that either. If you like this show, you'll love Day of Destruction. Who had that? Who had that? Hold on, I'm asking official drugs.
Official what?
Judge.
Who do you got?
Mercedes. They say no.
No.
No? Alright. Hey, the Corvette had that one? Yeah, Corvette, okay.
We're really too close to call. Oh, that.
We'll call it, don't worry. Alright, Mercedes got it?
Yeah, Mercedes.
Yellow truck is a limit.
Alright, diesel power.
Okay, that's a Ford there.
Of course.
Ford diesel turbo.
Yeah, yeah.
We just put that Corvette to shame.
I still love a burnout guy.
Nice.
I love burnout.
That's a nice guy.
Come on, burnouts are great. Sounds great.
Alright, here we go. Alright.
Here it is.
Brian, it looks like we're down to 2.
I like my dark horse. Come on, big old Ford truck.
Alright, what do you guys think? Truck versus Mercedes?
Who's got the truck? Come on.
Who got a truck? Show me you got a truck.
All right.
Alright, I'm gonna have to agree with you.
Who's got the Mercedes? Wait, Mark, you can't jump off your own bandwagon.
No, I'm jumping off it.
No, you're on it. You are the king of it.
I can't.
You're on it.
Alright, I'll
you
stick
got
with the Mercedes. I'm
I
gonna
get the
lose.
truck.
Alright, fine.
It's the best 2 out of 3, take it. 2 out of 3 here.
You guys ready? Here we go. First race.
Oh, the truck's truck, look, he let off.
Wow.
Oh.
That's a diesel, alright.
All right, here we go, guys. Green flag.
Oh, he jumped the line.
Look, he even hit the brakes and he still won.
There you go again.